Huge week in AI. OpenAI launches Codex, a powerful coding agent with sandboxed tasks. Now in ChatGPT Pro Team, Tesla's Optimus robot is dancing and walking unsupervised in the office. Notion AI adds research mode. Pulse PDF exports for deep reports. Google's AlphaEvolve just upgraded a 1969 algorithm. And Windsurf's SWE1 is here to rival Claude 3.5 in software engineering. Stick around till the end for all thrilling details. But before that, I regularly create videos and contents based on artificial intelligence in my YouTube channel. Follow up for more updated information on AI. OpenAI has introduced Codex, an AI coding agent that can write code, answer technical queries, and fix bugs, providing a powerful tool for coding professionals. Each task runs in a dedicated sandbox environment, enhancing security and productivity in software development. Codex is a cloud-based software engineering agent that can tackle many tasks at once, powered by Codex One. It's available for ChatGPT Pro, Team and Enterprise users, and coming soon to Plus. To know how Codex works, and for more detailed information, check the link below. Tesla has unveiled a new clip of its Optimus humanoid robot dancing, trained using sim-to-real reinforcement learning. The robot showcases impressive coordination and agility in its movements. Elon Musk confirmed Optimus is now moving around the Tesla office, fully unsupervised. Notion just rolled out some powerful new AI features, and they're game changers. First up, AI meeting notes. You'll never have to take notes again. It handles everything for you. Then there's Enterprise Search, which lets you find answers across all your tools, all in one place. But the real star is Research Mode. Just drop in your sources, and Notion AI will analyze them, plus the web, to draft detailed, polished documents you can share with your team. You can even chat directly with GPT 4.1 and Claude 3.7 thanks to the new model picker. And the best part, all of this is now included in the business plan at no extra cost. OpenAI just introduced PDF export for deep research reports with tables, images, and linked citations included. Simply click the share icon and select download as PDF. It works on both new and past reports. Now rolling out to Plus, Team and Pro users, Enterprise and Edu coming soon. Google dropped AlphaEvolve, an AI that discovers new algorithms for tough scientific and computational problems. It uses Gemini models with auto-evaluation and iteration, and even found the first improvement on Strasson's algorithm since 1969. It's not just theory, it's already making Google's systems more efficient. Windsurf just launched SWE1, their first family of AI models built for end-to-end software engineering workflows. Trained on incomplete code and real-world dev interactions, SWE1 handles the full coding lifecycle. They're even claiming performance on par with Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Big moves in dev AI.